So here we go. So if you go to backend database, so similar to PC assign work list. Suppose if you route an assignment to work basket. So let me open one of the existing flow. So this is the flow that we are working on. So if you go to an assignment, similar to the option that we have seen, route to operator, we have another option called route to work basket. Route to work basket. So here you can choose the name of the work basket. When you choose route to work basket, the assignment will be routed to the respect to work basket. So if you go to custom also we have an option to route to work basket. So guess and tell me what could be the activity which gets executed in the background when we route to work basket. What is the activity? To work basket. So to work basket is the activity which gets executed whenever you are going to route an assignment to work basket. What is the activity type of this? Activity type is route. For every routing, so the activity type is route. So whenever an assignment is routed to work basket in the back end, so PRPC is going to insert a new record into the table PC assign work basket. Similarly, PC assign work list, here PC assign work basket. Here also PX assigned operator ID. But here PX assigned operator ID column will not really have the operator ID. Instead what it will have? It will have name of the work basket. And there is another column called same PX ref object key. So that will hold the work object ID, PZINS keys. PX ref object key. So how would you access a work basket? So when you go to portal, so here dashboard, here you have work queues, right? So under work queues, you see a link to your work basket. Here it is default work basket for CNA. So you see that link. So when I click on the link of the work basket, so with this work basket name, so what are all the work items available in the work basket table? So which column will be matched with? So when I click on this link work basket, it has to bring all the work objects in that basket and display here in UI. It will be done from the, it will be fetched from the table PC assign work basket. It has to match one of the column, right? Which column it will match? PX assigned operator ID. PX assigned operator ID is equal to name of this basket where you have clicked on. So that basket name will be sent to PX assigned operator ID and will fetch all the work items related to that basket. So you see similarly how you see here the tasks and all, everything is available. The same way in the work basket also you see the list of tasks available. When you click on the link here, okay, it will open the work item. From the work basket, you click on one of the work item, it will open the work item. From which table it will open the work item? It will open from work table, PC work table. And if you go to the clipboard, on the clipboard also you have again same new assign page will be created for the assignment. But that will be created referring to which class? Assign dash work basket class. So that will be created referring to assign dash work basket. In case it is work list, it is work basket now. So whenever an assignment is created based on routing, so whether it is routed to work list or it is routed to work basket. If it is routed to work list, assignment will be created, new assign page will be created referring to assign dash work list. If it is routed to work basket, new assign page will be created referring to assign dash work basket. If it is routed to work list, the table that gets inserted with the data of the assignment is PC assign work list. In case if it is work basket, the table that gets inserted with the assignment details is PC assign work basket. In both of the tables, columns related to assignment operator ID or assigned work basket is the same column, PX assigned operator ID, and the reference column related to work object table here in this assign dash work list and assign dash work basket tables is PX ref object key, the same column, reference columns. Okay, and work list assignment details will be available in two tables. So assignment is an instance of how many tables? It can be either work list table or it can be either work basket table. Okay, this is the basic idea. There is some other tables also. So assign dash work list table, assign dash work basket table. So assignment is an instance of class assign dash, assignment is an instance of class assign dash work list or assign dash work basket based on its routing. If it is routed to work list, it is work list instance. Routed to work basket, then it is work basket instance.